Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Teacher Max, and I am your Grade 2 Science teacher. Now, today we're going to review the terms assemble and disassemble because remember that on our last science class we had some technical difficulties, so we couldn't really cover everything about assemble and disassemble, right? So today I want all of you to watch the full video so you can fully grasp what these two words mean and also how to create certain objects with other objects or pictures with other pictures. Okay? Let's begin. Now, remember in the beginning of our previous class, remember that all of us, we did a puzzle game, right? Because when you have a puzzle, you can put them together or you can take them apart, right? So what I want you to do, I want you to find the link, which is on the Teams chat box, or it is in the Science channel in Teams as well. So you can find that link, click on it, and I want you to do the puzzle game, and you only have 1 minute to finish. Okay? The people that weren't in my class, you can go here. This is what we did last time. I don't know why it's not turning on. Give me 1 minute. Okay, so now look over here, everyone. So I'm clicking on it. Yes. And then I have another piece. Where do I put this? Oh, okay. So now this is like an example of the puzzle pieces, and I want to see all of you try it. Now, if you record yourself finishing the puzzle piece under 1 minute, then I will give you 5 points within the next class. Okay? Good luck, everybody. All right. Let's go to the next one. So now, after you have finished the puzzle game, I want you to tell me some of these questions here, either through your notebook or you can tell me with your voice, but you have to record yourself doing it, okay? So these are the questions I want you to answer. Number 1, it says, how did you know where the pieces went? What piece or pieces did you start with first and why? How many pieces were in the puzzle? Let me move this. If it had more pieces, would that make it harder to do? Why? So again, everybody, with your notebook, I want you to write the questions and write your answers. Or you can record yourself reading the questions and then answering them later. Okay? Either way works with me. Good luck. You can pause the video and write the questions and the answers down. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so everyone, remember we have 2 vocabulary words from our last class. One is assemble. Everyone say assemble. Assemble. Oh, very good. Okay, so word number 2, we have disassemble. Disassemble. Everybody? Disassemble. One more time. Disassemble. Very good. Okay, let's go to the next one. Let me move this here. Oh, still not opening. Okay. Okay, so now let's read about assemble. So everyone listen. It says put pieces together. Many objects we use are made up of different pieces. Some are made of different materials or things. Your desk may have wood on the top. It may have metal legs. It may also have rubber on the bottom of the legs. Someone had to assemble or put together all the pieces of the desk. Now, everyone, let me see your hands. Hands, hands, hands. And put your hands together. Everyone say assemble. One more time. Assemble. Very good. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so everybody, we have a little game. So I want you to get your Legos. If you have Lego blocks, in your house, go ahead and get your blocks or get your Legos, okay? Get your toy Legos or get your Lego blocks. If you have crayons or coloring pencils, get your coloring pencils or crayons and get your coloring book. And the game I want you guys to do, I want you to, if anyone that has Lego blocks, I want you to make a big house and take a photo of it, okay? One more time. Make a big house with your Legos and take a photo of it. If you do not have Legos, then just draw me a big house on your sheet of paper, and I need you to color everything neatly, okay? Don't make it messy. Don't make it small. Make it neat, okay? All right, you guys have 2 minutes. Pause the video and go. Let's go on to the next one. Okay. Let me go back to the website. All right, next we're going to read about disassemble. Everyone say disassemble. Disassemble. Okay, so I'm going to read it. Here we go. Objects that are made of pieces can be also taken apart. A model house made of wooden blocks can be disassembled or taken apart. You can use the same wooden blocks to build something else. A toy car can be disassembled. When it is taken apart, you are left with different car parts. So look over here, everyone. So this car used to be assembled a long time ago, but now they disassembled everything with the cars, right? You see wheels, you see metal, you see the hood, you see the trunk, you see the interior, you see the engine. Wow. That's amazing. Okay, let's see what we have next. All right, so before I read this part, I want you to put your hands together like this, and everyone say, disassemble. So put your hand out. One more time, put your hand in slowly, and then everyone say, disassemble. Very good. All right. So now look over here. It says, how could these blocks be used to build a different house? Design a house using the same shape blocks. Drag the blocks below to build a house. Well, we're not going to do this. We have to skip through this. However, I think all of you already made your house, right? Did you already made your house? Okay, now here's what I want you to do. Are you ready? Because we did this in the last class. I want all of you to disassemble your house. Disassemble your house. If you have your house and you colored and you draw your house, I want you to rip your paper off. Just rip it. Rip it. All of you that made your Legos, take it apart. Very good. Okay. So now we're going to watch a video that will tell you that you can assemble, and then after you disassemble something, an object or material, you can make it something else. Okay? Here's a video. Ooh, it's SpongeBob. Here we go.
Hey, Squidward, it's you and me playing leapfrog. That's you on the bottom.
Give me that. There is nothing artistic about leapfrog. What are you doing now?
I call it Rippy Bits. You take a bunch of old ripped up paper and you make a new picture out of it. See, you're on top this time.
Okay, so now I'm going to go back and I'm going to play it one more time and I'm going to show you what happened. So look in the beginning. SpongeBob made something, right? He assembled SpongeBob and Squidward together, right? And as a piece of paper. Now let's look what happens.
Squidward, it's you and me playing leapfrog. That's you on the bottom.
Give me that. There is nothing artistic about leapfrog.
So what did Squidward do? Squidward disassembled the paper, right? Now let's see what SpongeBob does next.
What are you doing now?
I call it Rippy Bits. You take a bunch of old ripped up paper and you make a new picture out of it. See, you're on top this time.
Now let me go back. Oh, so now look what happened. Now Squidward was under and SpongeBob was on top. Now on this picture, Squidward is on top and SpongeBob is in the bottom, right? So SpongeBob made one object, then Squidward disassembled, and then SpongeBob made another object. So I want to ask you, can you make another object with your Legos? And everybody else, can you make an object with your piece of paper that you shredded apart? What else can you make with your Legos other than making a house? What else can you make? What else can you make with your piece of paper? Right? See, you can make other things with the same object or the same material. Okay? Let's keep going. Okay, so we have already done that. Okay, so let's see what we have next. We have to go in quick. All right, so now everybody, we're going to make it very easy for our exit ticket. Look right here, everybody. So just type A. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to go on the Teams chat box, or you can go to the Science. Go to the Science channel on Teams and write your answer. I need you to write which one is disassembled. And you can answer A or B. And if you get it right, I will give you a point. Now remember, we did this last time, right? Let's see if you remember this time. Okay? All right. Is there anything else we need to watch? Let me go here. Let me put this up. And so here's one more video that's going to show you them assembling something and then disassembling something. So this is our last one.
A vertical tower with the Jenga blocks. The tower is built by stacking 3.
So look what he's doing. He's assembling the blocks together to make a tower.
Side-by-side blocks in each row. Each new row formed is turned 90 degrees from the blocks in the row below it. The object of the game is to be the last successful.
Now look what he's doing now. Now he's disassembling the tower, right? He's disassembling. Let's see what happens last.
Player to remove and stack a block before a player.
And it fell, right? It disassembled and it fell, right? So tell me what else. This is another question I want to ask you. Tell me what else can you make with these blocks? Is there anything else you can make with these blocks other than a tower? What else can you make? Give me your answer on the chat box. Okay? All right, guys. Bye-bye.